One CNC CAD/CAM has been continually developed and used for more than 35 years, resulting in a long, established, successful history of providing CAD/CAM to a wide range of customer profiles. One CNC CAD/CAM is a global product used in more than 40 countries, benefiting customers with local technical support, service, and CAD/CAM utilizing country-specific language files. One CNC has the functionality you need to stay ahead of the competition by providing the tools needed to digitally create and CNC machine 3D models across a wide range of industries. One CNC CAD/CAM, for your peace of mind, has the security of a perpetual license, providing 100% ownership, no rental fees, and 24/7 access to your CAD/CAM software. One CNC is designed by manufacturers for manufacturers, providing efficient toolpath and streamlined programming workflows, all based upon a long history of manufacturing experience. One CNC, renowned for natural, intuitive functionality, is designed for CNC machining because, as being manufacturers, we understand that CNC machining should not be difficult or cumbersome. One CNC CAD/CAM files are secure. You have 100% control of where files are stored, for example, locally or on a network. Proprietary designs are safe and instant 24/7 access to all data. One CNC CAD/CAM does not depend on the internet. Benefits include secure file storage, freedom of usage, no internet connection required, and your CAD/CAM workflow will never stop due to internet issues. One CNC CAD/CAM provides a quick, intuitive workflow and benefits from an optimized user interface, wizard-driven workflow, machining templates, and auto speeds and feeds calculation. One CNC CAD/CAM is easy to learn and use. No complicated or long learning curve. Instead of days, you'll be up and running within hours, programming parts and generating CNC code. One CNC CAD/CAM. There are no continual maintenance costs charged by One CNC, providing free technical support, free software updates, and a 24/7 user forum. Make your next programming project with One CNC. One CNC, you own it.